Hi YouTube. Today we are going to be doing fun nail swatches by igelbeauty. The first color is number 10, Wilshire Boulevard. And I am literally just showing you guys the color. I am not a professional nail artist. I am just literally here to show you guys the color, and I will not be doing the little nail tip swatches anymore because I feel like, first of all, I got a new hand, whoop whoop, and I wanted to show it off, and I just feel like having a realistic hand and like a skin tone background gives you guys a better idea of the color, if that makes any sense at all. Hopefully you guys understand it. And also I'm literally just showing you guys the color, but some of the gel polish is going to get on the sides. Just don't judge me. Thank you. Love you guys. All right, so the next color is B28 Rainkissed Petals. I actually really love this color. It just reminds me of summer, and with all this COVID stuff going on, I am ready for summer. Comment below, like, oh my gosh, what is the first trip are you guys going on once we can travel? I just want to go somewhere warm. I don't even want to do anything. I just want to be on the beach, like with a nice margarita or whatever their signature slushy drink is. Up next, we have 108 Bel Air. And first of all, can I just say, I just picked these colors at random, so I don't want you guys to think, like, what the heck is Jasmine doing? Like, this was all by random. I have a ton of colors that I'm going to be doing swatches for, so I literally just picked these. No rhyme or reason. And I actually love this. It's like a mint color. I can't wait to do a set with this color. It kind of reminds me of spring, I guess, like Easter time. So hopefully I can do something fun for that. Hey guys, if you're not following my Instagram, please follow me. Press My Nails Jazz, which is spelled J-A-S, on Instagram. Ooh. And the next one we have is 02 Jet Black. Ooh, this is like the blackest of the black. I love it. Black like my eyeliner. Love it. Okay. So, actually made, you're gonna see in a minute, a bit of a mess on the side, and I tried to clean it up, and I'm just a hot mess. I don't know. But don't judge me. Literally just showing you guys the colors. Please remember that. Also, I just wanted to make a video that was just like short, sweet, and to the point. If you guys want longer videos, please comment below. Like, talk to me and let me know. I just can't sit through long nail swatches. Like, I want to know what this color looks like immediately. I just don't have time. Oh my gosh. You guys might think I'm crazy, but I'm not. Also guys, I really recommend, if you are buying gel polish from any store online, I recommend to literally put the color in YouTube and find a swatch, because there are so many colors that really don't look like what the website swatches have, and it is annoying when you buy it and it's like, I really thought that was like a bright orange, but it's like a nasty orange. So you guys. I'm gonna try to do a lot more swatches, so just stay tuned. Subscribe to me, show me all the love, and I will definitely show it back. And don't judge my gel polish on the sides. Yeah. And right here is where I am just being a freaking cuckoo bird. I'm not sure what I was doing. And you can probably exit the video now because the tutorial is over. But yeah, I am gonna try to definitely do, I have a ton more. I'm gonna like be up on here doing stuff. So comment below, tell me what you guys think, and until next time, look at me, I am so insane. Anyway, yeah, until next time, see ya.